Are you tired of getting mascara on your eyelids every time you go to put on mascara? Well, in this video, we're going to look at a couple of ways to remedy that. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie. Welcome to the channel. So if you're new or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. It certainly helped the channel. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In this video, we are going to be doing a makeup gadget or mascara gadget versus the lash card. Now, I believe I got this in Ipsy, but you can also order these at lashcard.com. And so I figured we would test them against each other, see which one works better, see if any of them works better, and just go from there. So let's go ahead and open up one of these lash cards. All right, so you got the large curve and you got the small curve, and you just hold these up like this and like that to protect from your mascara to get on. So we got that one, and then let's open up this mascara gadget. I got this off of Amazon, and of course it says 3-in-1 card eyelashes, so I'm thinking that they kind of got the idea from the lash card, or they're using it to market. Who knows? But it does have the directions in both languages, so that's cool. Now let's look at the gadget itself. Now this one you hold up to your eye, and it also has little combs. So we will start with the lash card first. Today we are going to be using the Laura Geller New York Black Mascara. So we are going to start on this eye over here, and we are going to do the lash card. And so with this, you just hold it up against your eye so you don't get mascara on you, and as you can see, that works pretty well. It's kind of a learning curve of how to use it, but did it remedy the situation? Yes, it did. I did kind of go overboard and got a little bit right there, but that's a good thing because we're gonna go over that in a little bit. So, and then on the bottom, all right, so yes, that worked. Pretty well. It did, as you can see, I would have gotten a lot of mascara on me, but on top and bottom, but it did remedy the situation. So let's go on to the next one. Okay, and the bottom one. Let's go ahead and dip the brush again. Okay, there's that. Now let's do one more coat on the other side with the lash card. Okay, and on the bottom. Alright, so we got our mascara on. Now, let's see. They both work pretty much the same. This one is, okay, let's start with the lash card. So the lash card's a little bit more difficult to use. Whenever you hold it there, it's kind of hard to get right up against that lash line. but I found if you tilted it back a little bit, it helped hold your lashes up. On the bottom, same thing, like the curve just ain't right with everybody's lash line. Like my eyes are fairly small, so getting the card on directly on there is a little difficult, but it is doable. The Lash Gadget. So this one, you got to kind of hold it in the right position, or these little spikes right here on the bottom and these right here, they kind of stab your eye. Let's try the little comb. The comb does work, but yeah, so this one is a little bit more easier to work with because I mean you hold it from down here instead of up here, so I mean that's a good thing. Just watch these little spikes so you don't stab yourself in the eye. Now both of them, yes, they do work. Do you actually need it? Not necessarily, and I'm going to show you why. Now if you look down here, whenever I was doing the top, I like way overdid it because I was going crazy, I guess. But if you wait until the mascara dries, you can take a spoolie and just scrape it off and not even have to worry about having a gadget. But do they make it easier and quicker? Kind of. It does make it to where you're not worried about messing up your makeup, because even whenever you do scrape it off with the spoolie, you still have to go back and kind of apply that, because it will lighten like in whatever spot that you use it in. So I mean there's that, but do you have to have it? No, you don't. But which one would I choose is better? I would say the Gadget. It's a little bit more simpler to use. Just make sure you don't stab yourself in the eye. This is kind of more difficult to get where you need it to get, but that's a personal opinion. So which one would you choose? Have you used the Lash Gadget before? Let me know in the comment section down below. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one where I test two products against each other, let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day.